Hello, man. Good evening.
Very good evening. How are you all? Gosh, long time, huh? One second, huh? One second. Hello? Ronak, tell me where can I find the class link?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. Very good evening. Right. Sorted. Good evening, everyone. Very good evening. Okay. Vedant, every time you join, your audio is never connected. I wonder why would you join?
Who, ma'am?
Vedant. Vedant, wait, let me chat. Let me send him a message. So Vedant cannot hear anything. Vedant, please connect the audio. Okay, so let's not waste any time since our public speaking classes generally take a lot of time. Okay, so here we begin.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You were telling.
Now your audio is connected. I was wondering why would you join with the audio disconnected, Vedant?
Ma'am, actually, my earphones were not working for some while, so I was just doing the settings.
So
So
that
at the
practically
time,
took you half an hour in the previous class. That's when I had put you in the waiting room.
no, ma'am, actually it took 15 minutes, but I didn't check again, so I couldn't join the
No,
audio. That's
chat
all.
also I was continuously sending you chats which you did not see. So if you don't check the chats, you cannot hear. I wonder why would you join a class? See, I can
Ma'am,
permit
actually,
people to be mute, which is fine, but you cannot be disconnected from the audio. You will hear practically nothing if you are disconnected from the audio. That is not
great.
permitted. Okay. Alright,
Okay,
let's
ma'am,
begin
that's
our class. Here, public speaking. First thing that we always do is vocabulary building. First is, today we are going to do a little level up words, right? It's been high time. So let's take another step. One is cognizant. Cognizant means being aware or realizing. Okay, we should be cognizant of our country policies. We should be cognizant of the traffic rules, means being aware, right? So sometimes there are changes, we should know about those changes, we should be aware. Cognizant मतलब इसको यहाँ पर पता होना चाहिए, that is realization. ठीक है, that is cognizant. Cognizant of school rules. Now next is debacle. No, learn the pronunciation. It is not debacle. Debate से नहीं आया है. This is debacle. You open the mouth and say debacle. Debacle means sudden failure. So we can say lack of practice led to the debacle of the play or annual function. Right? The debacle means sudden failure which happened due to lack of practice, or the debacle of the project plan happened because of lack of planning or lack of resources, lack of leader, anything. Right? Isko failure. Debacle means failure. Now here comes pensive. What is pensive? Now someone who is in thought. जैसे कभी कभी आपने, you must have noticed your daddy coming from work and then daddy is thinking something. So might be something from work, Or mama is thinking, oh, the work did not happen nicely, so she's also thinking. Sometimes you might be pensive. Okay, so this word is generally used for someone who is deep into the thoughts. I would say I would say Arman was lost in his pensive thoughts while I was talking. So he was deeply thinking something. Okay, just giving an example. Look at the fourth word. It is pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical or realistic. Okay, so when I say give me an example, so I would say please give me a pragmatic example. Means a practical example. ऐसा example नहीं चाहिए. We'll build up a car, the car will fly, and then work on the water also like a boat. That can happen only in Dhoom, not in real life. So I would say give me a more practical model of a car. Okay, pragmatic means practical or realistic. Zealous. Now zealous is something, it is an adjective. We associate this with celebration or with children. So we say, oh, the children were so zealous, they celebrated the entire day. The zealous celebration of Children's Day lasted the whole week. Like that. Okay, zealous means enthusiastic. I'll say the words again just so that you can catch up with the pronunciation. Cognizant, debacle, pensive, pragmatic or zealous. Yes, Harshit.
Ma'am, can I make sentence?
Oh, you are funny.
Ma'am, zealous. Yesterday my mom said I was so zealous in the previous Diwali.
Okay, very good. What about this Diwali? Not so zealous? Okay, wonderful. Ananya.
He was so pensive about his exam results.
Very good. It happens, yes. Madhav.
Ma'am, pragmatic.
Hmm.
This painting is so pragmatic.
What is pragmatic?
Ma'am, realistic.
No. What was the sentence? I missed out on the word.
This painting was so pragmatic.
Ah, very nice, very nice. Ronak.
Yes, ma'am. He is so pensive about his career.
Okay, that's also nice. Super. Okay, let's quickly move on to the next section.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, you. Welcome.
Wait a second, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
You can't see my
Ma'am,
screen.
may I?
Yes, please.
The teen jealous celebration turned into a debate.
Debacle. Ah, wonderful. Good. Superb, Arfan. Were you able to see my screen now, or should I do a screen share again?
Ma'am, can you screen share again?
I'll do it. No problem. My children are my priority. I hope it is visible now. Now.
Ma'am, I'm thinking just a minute.
Take your time. Take your time.
Ma'am, can I see now?
Yes.
Zealous.
Ma'am,
My brother was zealous with his presentation in his grade.
Okay. Very nice. Superb. Yes, Charmi.
ma'am, can you tell me the pronunciation of the fifth one?
Zealous. Okay, let's move on. Here. So we'll do a conversation practice today. I have the script with me. You'll have to read just like the character. Okay. But today we are doing a practice based on a school discussion of school students. Okay, so I need two girls here. Okay, Ronak, you'll have to wait for the second one. Huh? That is all boys. Ronak and Harshit, I'll remember. So for this one, I'll take Vedehi, and I need a girl. Anybody who wants to practice? Only Vedehi? Okay, since nobody is ready. Okay,
Solanki ma'am. Solanki.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, that's Charmi, not Solanki. Charmi and Vedehi. Go for it.
Can I take Rita?
Yes, you take Rita and you take Tina. Okay, please forgive me for the names. जो मुझे याद आए ना मैंने वही नाम लिखे हैं. Okay, go for it.
Hey, Tina, is it you?
Oh, Rita, how are you? It's been a long time.
I'm fine. What about you? Yes, we last met during the board exams.
I'm good too.
What are you doing now?
Well, I have started my undergraduate studies in English Honours at St. Xavier's College in Mumbai.
ST is pronounced as Saint. But Xavier's, you said it right. Brilliant. Okay. Next, I'll go with Meenakshi and Harshita. Okay. Here. Meenakshi, you take Rita, and Harshita take Tina.
Wow. Finally got this study the subject you loved the most in school.
Over Tina.
Harshita read. Harshita has a very low sound. Huh? Okay. Meenakshi, read your lines. Rita.
You guessed it right. I looked up history on a history on a Lady Sri Ram College for Women in Delhi. That's my
Good. Meenakshi.
I am happy for you. Let's meet up again soon.
Meenakshi.
Bye for now. I have to pick up my sister from tuition. Take care.
Good. Harshita, your sound was getting better. So maybe there is some wire or some twisting that you need to do at your end. Okay? But very nice. Okay? Now is the boys' turn. I will begin with the ones who raise. Nanali, you'll have to wait. Okay? I need a partner for you. Okay, let me go for the boys, the ones who raised the hand first. Harshit, and who was the second one?
Arman, I think.
Rabi.
Ronak and
Madhav.
Harshit.
Madhav.
Madhav raised it later. First two boys that I mentioned were Ronak and
Harshit.
Harshit. Yes, sorry. Okay, Harshit, you become J, and
Ma'am, Ronak.
Ronak, you become Pratik.
Hello. Hello. Am I talking to Pratik Agarwal?
Hello. Yes. May I ask who is speaking?
Pratik, it's me, Jay Roy from college. Remember?
Hey, Sean. How are you? It's been such a long time.
I'm doing good. Yes, 4 long years after college. I got your contact number from Piyush. You remember him, right?
Yes. I do remember. Wasn't he the one who taught the interview class last year?
Wonderful. Okay, what happened to Ronak? Are you joining from two devices?
Ma'am,
Yes, it was echoing.
Ma'am, your voice is also echoing.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think there is a problem in the meeting.
Yeah, Zoom glitch.
But
Now, ma'am, your voice is not
Now it is fine. Okay. Let's not waste time. Let's get started with the practice. Arman and Madhav, Read this one. Arman, you become Jay, and Madhav, you become Pratik.
Hello, am I talking to Pratik Agarwal?
Hello, yes, I am Pratik Agrawal. May I ask you who is speaking?
Pratik, it's me, J. Roy from college, remember?
Hey Jay, how are you? It's have been such a long time.
I am doing good. Yes, for long years after college, I got your contact number from Piyush. You remember him, right?
Yes, I do remember him. Was not he the one who topped our engineering batch last year?
Okay, very well done. Okay, next is Khush and Arav. Okay, here, wait, I'm giving you another script. Khush, you become Jay, and Arav, you become Pratik.
Yes, that's him. He's in Boston working for a big MNC now.
Arav? Okay, maybe he's away for some time. Let's go to Fauzan for that matter. Fauzan, are you there? Can you hear me?
Wow, good for him.
Good. Khush?
The main reason I called you up is because I am planning to organize a reunion
Reunion.
reunion of our batch and wanted to know if you could make it.
Fauzan? Well, we cannot hear you, Fauzan. Are you speaking? Fauzan, nahi, I could not hear you better. Say that again. Really? Can anybody else hear Fauzan?
And Fauzan is not audible.
He's not audible, so we'll have to move on to someone else then. In that case, we have somebody called Vijendra Kumar. Vijendra, are you there, or is it your daddy's name? If it is your daddy's name, let me know. I'll rename you. No answer. Arush, would you like to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Then take the Pratik's lines, huh? We finished
Okay.
here. You have to. Okay, let's begin again, huh? Khush? It was Khush, right? Khush?
Yes, ma'am.
Jay's line from the beginning, and you will be accompanied by Arush. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, that's him. He's in Boston working for a big MNC now.
Wow, good for him.
The main reason I called you up is because I am planning to organize a reunion of our batch and wanted to know if you could make it.
Really? Yes, I would love to attend the reunion. Just let me know the time and venue.
Do you remember the auditorium of our college where we had our orientation program?
How can I forget that auditorium? We all have spent so much time in that place over the years.
Wonderful. So this script is from the time when you all will grow up and will start working. That time you will need this script. Huh? Okay, very well done, Khush and Arush. Brilliant. Okay, let me see if someone else is remaining. Yug is remaining. Yug and Mrinali. So what we'll do is, let's go ahead with this one. Okay, instead of Pratik, we can say this is Preeti, right? Hardly matters. Right, Mrinali, read for Pratik, and you can read for Jay.
Okay, ma'am. That's the place for our reunion. I could appear
I called up the college regarding this and they gave us permission to have the reunion there. In fact, some of our professors might also be there. I have sent our invitations to them too.
Cool. Yes, Manali. Okay, there seems something really bad happening today because I cannot hear Mrinali also properly. Mrinali, bacha, you'll have to fix your mic. Meanwhile, let you finish the lines. You continue.
I have to contact a few others too. I will let you know the details within 2 days. Meet you soon. Bye.
Mrinali, take your turn.
Bye.
Okay. What is happening is, Mrinali, I can make out what you're saying, but it is not going in flow. It is coming as if, broken together. So I'll have to, make a guess. Otherwise, I'm fine. Okay. All right. The ones who have left, who are yet to read, we'll now move on to the speech part. Okay. So you will get a turn there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Arman is happy. Okay, so it is speech practice. But before we get on to the practice, you have to remember one thing said by Ralph Waldo Emerson. He is a great person. He used to write very nice essays. Okay, he is American. He was American rather, and he was a very celebrated author. So he said all the great speakers were once bad speakers at first. So if you think you are not speaking very nice, just remember everyone started from there. If I tell you about me, I confess today, when I started, I was so scared and I was much older than you. You are in which grade? 7th grade, right? Or 8th. I was much older and I used to be so scared. कुछ भी चलेगा बस मैम स्टेज पे आने को नहीं बोले. That was the time then I had a good teacher who kind of worked on me. She spent time with me. And then finally today I'm not scared. Today I am the one who is hosting the entire annual function, all the sports day, and in fact every function I am the one who hosts. So अब तो ऐसा हो गया, अब मैं नींद में भी कर सकती हूँ. थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस ज़्यादा है, मतलब अच्छा हो गया मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस. But when I started, I could not speak one line without like that. Yeah. So if you do like that, you don't have to worry. One day, keep practicing at home when nobody is listening. One day you will speak fluently. And in fact, right now also I can see so many children speaking brilliantly. You all have come a very long way. Improved so much, all of you. So, congratulations. Let's look at the topic. Today I've tried something new. So, here are the topics. But before the topic, remember, time limit is 1 minute and the speech has to be original. No chat GPTs. It is irritating. कैसे उनके बाहर कम words आते हैं और सबका same point होता है. See, हाँ? थोड़ा सा तो कुछ आवाज आया था.
I'm even perplexed.
Even perplexity, whatever. Perplexity. It is a tongue twister. Why you copy from there? Such wonderful topics I bring for you. इतना दिमाग लगा के इतना अच्छा टॉपिक लेकर आती हूँ and you go to chat GPT. Chat GPT और perplexity सब बैंड बजाते हैं टॉपिक्स का. Don't do that.
Ma'am, everything like ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity, Meta AI, Google, Gemini, everything.
Horrible. वो देख के समझ में आ जाता है. Shit. Okay.
Correct.
Look at it. है ना? Correct? No, I know I'm correct. Okay. Look at the topics now. The topic, I think you'll find it interesting.
Oh,
Wait, it is not so it won't be very easy. You have to take any one movie out of these 4 and then choose or create an alternative ending. Matlab, for example, look at this. This was Frozen. Anybody who has seen, I'm sure many of you must have seen Frozen. Huh?
no, ma'am, I didn't know.
Out of these 4, is there anybody who hasn't seen any of these 4 movies?
Ma'am.
None of these 4?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will not remember.
Okay, everybody quiet.
Ma'am, I don't remember the ending.
Okay, Rona, please go on mute.
Ma'am,
Okay, now
Ma'am, I
listen.
don't remember the ending.
The great one, big deal.
Also me.
Okay, first of all, children, if you haven't seen these feel good movies, I think you're missing something. Otherwise, Lion King was very recent. Come on, किसको नहीं पता है? अगर नहीं पता, I will tell you.
मुफासा
हाँ, मुफासा, वही है, वही. अब इनके दो
मैम मैंने देखा है
सबने देखा है, वरना कैसे वो इतना बिजनेस कैसे किया मूवी ने अगर किसी बच्चे ने देखा ही नहीं है तो? मम्मी डैडी थोड़ी ना गए मूवी देखने.
ending of that. Ma'am, I saw, but I forgot.
अच्छा ठीक है. Good, you forgot.
Same here, ma'am.
Okay, let's find out the solution. देखो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं, है ना? प्रॉब्लम पे बात नहीं करेंगे. Let's find out another solution. I am giving you a choice of these 4 movies. If you have any other movie, but remember I don't want animals movie like ये कौन सा था, सैयारा पय्यारा, ऐसा मूवी नहीं है ना, मैं मार लगाऊंगी. I don't want those movies. I want nice and decent movies. हाँ?
कुछ नहीं
Good movies, yes. But yes, if you choose a famous one, it will be nice. If you choose an unknown movie, किसी ने देखी
And
नहीं
Marvels.
है. Marvels, yes, Marvels. Even I have seen. कोशिश करो मैंने देखी.
Because I like it.
Okay, so Iron Man, Doctor Strange, I'm fine with that. वो मंजिल,
Ma'am,
Cinderella, सब चलेगा.
That was-
ठीक है. But you have to give me a different ending. That's it. Different ending.
Ma'am, Sammy's
Ma'am means not the real ending. We have to make the
Not
ending
the
the
real ending.
मैम
Yes.
Minecraft
I could not hear Nidish. Which one?
Minecraft
Minecraft. Oh yes,
Minecraft.
yes. All movies.
Ma'am, Chava.
Huh? Chhawa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But वो
मैंने भी देखा है
हाँ. चलो ठीक है, आज हो जाए. Okay, go for it. Historic
आज
movies.
ठीक है.
Yes. But you have to change the ending. What ending और है यहाँ? छावा का तो
Ma'am,
अच्छा ending हो सकता
We have to make a speech or a story.
है. You have to make us.
Charlie Trouble Chan.
Not a story, bacha. You're just giving the ending, so it will be very formal in terms of speech only. Story नहीं है. Story तो मुझे मालूम है. You say I am changing the ending. I will change the ending for movie. That's it. And then you give me your change. Okay, don't dwell on the movie का plot. वो सब पता है मुझे. If I don't know the plot, then of course, which means you haven't seen, because I am quite updated.
ब्रेकआउट रूम
मैंने सब देख रखा. मैंने ज़ूटोपिया भी देखा.
अरे
Breakout room or individual.
Individual, of course. Oh बाबा, breakout room is.
अरे मैम भेजो ना मैम
देखा ना? हाँ मैंने देखा.
मैम भेजो ना
Ma'am, Charlie.
मैम मेरे को तो मैम भेजो ना मैम
तुम आ जाओ मेरे घर पर आ जाओ. सारी मूवीज देखेंगे क्रिसमस पे. पूरा
Ma'am, ma'am, can we make Squid Game?
ठीक है
Ma'am, can we make the ending of Squid Game?
Squid Game? No. If it is too much of bloodshed, no, not permitted.
मैम आई डोंट लाइक स्क्विड गेम
But how did you watch it, Kanav? It is not for under 15 years of age. How old are you?
He is 100 years old.
100
What
years
are you in the class? Huh?
Ma'am, I'm 12, but still I want to see it.
Why?
Ma'am, there is a option. Ma'am, there is a option, ma'am, where ma'am you can ma'am censor it.
Remove you don't have that option activated, right? Give me your mother's number. Kanav, give me your mother's number. I want
Ma'am,
to
they
ask
send
her.
me, ma'am. Ma'am, they send me outside for 5 to 10.
Censor that. Yeah.
मैम
Yes.
Ma'am,
मैम
ma'am, recommend please censor all of them. Gore.
I know it is
Ma'am.
so bad. You got such
Ma'am,
intelligence.
that's literally ma'am too graphical. Like my brother
So much
said,
of blood.
big brother. It's too graphical. Do not watch.
Acha,
Censor
okay.
it.
Everybody quiet now. Arman is saying something. Arman, were you saying something, beta?
This was I have not seen.
Okay, that's okay. Then you choose your favorite movie. Just remember, don't use a movie which has too much of bloodshed. Okay? Choose any decent movie. Otherwise, and change the alternative. Give it an alternative ending. See, you have seen Chava. I know that.
Charlie.
Yes, ma'am.
You can, or you
No,
can
no.
use no Avengers. You've seen?
I have seen.
Can I choose Avengers the Endgame?
Of course, superb. I've seen that.
Okay,
Thor's
ma'am.
hand. I still remember.
Ma'am, someone is saying about me.
What did you
Ma'am,
say?
the Lion King was on my 2 minutes for the ending.
Okay. What are they saying, Charlie? I'm
Ma'am,
not
can
able
we
to
like
find out.
use from? Ma'am, I am doing on the Lion King, but I have a secret thing. So can I reference to it, not copy it, but reference?
How will I understand what are you saying? I mean, you have a
Ma'am
secret
means
and
I
you want to
have
reveal
a
the secret.
no, ma'am. I have a secret, but I won't reveal it. It's not AI for your kind information, ma'am.
Noted, sir.
तो
Noted.
मुझे यहाँ पर वेब पे कुछ मिला है तो मैं उससे थोड़ा सा रेफरेंस ले सकता हूँ.
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लेना. हाँ,
ठीक है
आप
मैम.
ओरिजिनल ज्यादा अच्छा लिखते हैं पल्लव. So, okay. All right, let's get to work, children. We've got 1 or 2 minutes for writing. Then I will take names. Okay, it says individual performance. If you delayed, your speech might get cancelled. See, because I have to close the class at 9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Silence. Harshit, what are you reading? You are supposed to write and not read.
Ma'am, can I take
देखा,
notes also, ma'am?
समझ गई ना मैं लड्डू.
No, ma'am. I was thinking the ideas like I was thinking, not reading them.
Yes.
I was actually thinking like this. I'm not reading.
I know. You were pensive.
मैम आपका घर का है?
मेरा घर घर में है. You are asking the state or the city?
मैम स्टेट.
I am in Maharashtra.
दोनों
Ma'am,
सिटी.
which city?
Amchi, Mumbai.
Wow, bye bye.
That is the reason I have this fan on. No, very hot, horribly hot.
हाँ सच में.
Have you eaten Amchi ice cream?
Sorry, Charmi, you are also from Mumbai?
No, I'm just telling that. Have you eaten Amchi ice cream?
So many times. I have now graduated from Amchi ice cream. So I have
Ma'am, you
now
know how
reached
to
to.
speak Marathi?
I think yes. I find it difficult to write Marathi because the grammar, I make grammar mistakes. But then speaking,
It's like
Mama, Marathi.
Speak something Marathi.
मैम तुम्हें मराठी येते आहे?
आहे.
Ma'am, we पण Marathi.
Ma'am, I live in Nasik currently.
Okay, then let's. Are you enjoying oranges?
Yeah, ma'am. And grapes too.
Grapes too.
Ma'am, if you visit Nasik, and ma'am, if you visit Nasik, I'll get you a tour of Trimbakeshwar.
I love Trimbakeshwar. I've been there thrice. And the Sula wines.
No, ma'am, that's an adult place.
When next time when I come, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, can we do the movie of Charlie?
Yes. Whenever you are. Oh, Bhavesh is raising the hand. Bhavesh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can't wait. Go ahead.
Chava is the movie in which we have the historic, like the history of Shivaji's son Shambhaji. Shivaji was the great Maratha ruler, and his son Shambhaji. His history was his history, which was taken as a movie, is known as Chava. Chava means the lion cub. Shivaji is referred to the lion, and Shambhaji is referred to the lion cub. And at last, Shambhaji gets captured by Aurangzeb, and he gets killed by him. What if Shambhaji defeats Aurangzeb, and he make him as imprisoned, and he teaches him like non-violence and not to interfere in their religion, and like if he had done that, then no other invader could have come inside India, such as British, etc., etc.
Very good. Very informative. Very brave attempt, Bhavesh. Superb. Full marks. Full marks.
मैम लिखना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, लिखना क्या, बोलना भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. सी भावेश इज डन. अगर आप डिले
Ma'am, may I?
करेंगे तो चांस. हाँ, बिल्कुल. अरमान.
Puspas, cognizance of her assistance, turning a potential D-Black into Tripuram. Once pensive, she is now pragmatic, fighting jealous for justice. The people celebrate her win. Done.
Which movie was this?
Puspa.
Okay, Pushpa. Very nice. Entertaining. Super. Nice. Okay, I see Fauzan and Ronak raising the hand. Okay, let me give the order. Fauzan, you begin, then Ronak, then Kanna. Yes.
I want to talk about my favorite movie, which is Frozen. It's a magical story. It's a magical story about two sisters named Violet and Elsa. When they leave the kingdom, Elsa has special power to create ice and snow, but she was afraid of fire and will not understand that. One day, her father accidentally beat the whole kingdom, and she was afraid that she ran away to the mountains. Then, when he loved his sister, came to her, uh, where to the jacket. What makes the him about painting is the gift of courage, love, and removing myself. And that's it.
Very good, Fauzan. Very good. See, while we were talking, he took the reference of Frozen. Very nice. Yes, Ronak, go for it.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I am talking about Avengers the Endgame. You know. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am talking about Avengers the Endgame, the movie where half of universe is over, but we are eating popcorn and crying for Tony the Iron Man. And but today forgot the real ending. I am I am presenting a new ending. The final battle begins. Thanos enters his working for life in a fashion show, angry purple looking like a eggplant. The portals open, Avengers arrive, and suddenly Ant-Man decided to become 200 feet and give Thanos a Papa Gita thumbnail. Then, out of nowhere, Thor tries to give him a deep speech, but suddenly lightning hits his beard, and his half of the beard is burned. But then Avengers stare him, and he said that okay, it's a new style. Now, 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 instead of Tony snapping, Hulk starts the music and dancing for Thanos, but not for fighting. He tells Thanos, please come and dance. Doctor Strange dramatically opens 14 million portals, not for soldiers, but for duplicate copies of Star-Lord, all dancing or beat to direct Thanos. Everyone is dancing with Hulk and Star. Thanos is confused. What is happening? And then the funniest part. The Infinity Stone themselves start glowing and shout, we keep quiet, there's too much drama. You're too emotional. Finally, Captain America shouts, Avengers assemble, don't dance. The battle ends with no snaps, no sacrifices, just a pure chaos, teamwork, and a lot of accidental comedy. And the universe learns that sometimes you don't need a fight. You need a music box for dancing. Thank you.
Super, Ronak. I wish I could see Hulk dancing. Good.
Can I say?
Uh, can I say? Who's saying that?
Ma'am, I started.
Sahitya, wait, okay. The order, let me just say the order. It is Kanak, Satvik, Arav, and then Sahitya. Okay. Go ahead, Kanak.
Ma'am, can you first say Karan to mute because it is lagging or it is doubling the voice?
Say that again.
Because, ma'am, Karan, his mic is open. Can you say him to mute?
That I
Karan.
You begin speaking, please.
Ma'am, I've chosen the movie Endgame.
Okay.
Avengers the Endgame. So normally, Tony Stark's snaps and the half of the villains ends and the story is finished. But today the ending is different, and I have thought the ending to be that instead of Tony Stark snapping, other Sammy snaps and the villains are ended and Sammy is still alive. Ma'am, I've thought this.
Nice it is. Brilliant it is. Very nice, Kanak. Creative. Very nice. Okay. I will now move to Satvik.
Ma'am, do you know who's Sammy?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you cut my name? I am still preparing.
Sahitya, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Satvik, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. In the movie of Sati, we can see that the owner of that goes to the Himalayas and left the dog of the name of the dog Charlie in the Himalayas and came back to his home crying. But he could never find it. But when he saw that the Charlie dog came to him and didn't die and give birth to young ones, he could still keep it for a while and take new babies and also take it home and enjoy with it.
So sweet, Satvik. How nice.
Sounds like Charlie.
Me too. So I wish I could give your idea to the makers. How nice. Very sweet, Satvik. How beautiful. Okay. Arav, your turn, beta.
Yes. Mark, you'll tell us a lie.
Yes. Okay, marks. Yes, I will. Yes.
I like the movie is Mufasa, the king, the lion of king. It is like cartoon only. If we'll go with our family to movie, first we'll take the popcorn, what things, then we'll wait specs, then aram se we'll see the movie. Then they'll give break again. Again we'll go. Again we'll buy something. Then again we'll see the movie. Then it movie ends. Bye. This much only.
Okay, but then what is the ending? In the ending, what happened? Mufasa met and became the king, and all the animals.
Mufasa राजा बना था बस.
बस ना, तो आपकी एंडिंग सेम है?
एक सेकंड.
हाँ. I could not understand maybe.
हाँ, same ही. Like I like of king. The lion of king.
Loved it. Okay.
Oh, same to thing.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, Pallab, go for it.
Yeah, ma'am. So I am saying it on the Lion King. Ma'am, the secret was actually Lion King was having two endings, so I take a reference from the second flopped one. Instead of Simba returning to the Pride Rock alone, he forms a collaboration of outcast animals from the jungle and the desert. When Simba confronts Scar, it's not just a personal battle, it's a revolution for him. Scar tries to manipulate the crowd as always, but the animals reject him because they know the truth. In a dramatic twist where they were fighting for each other's life, Nala delivers the final blow, proving that leadership isn't just about birthright, it's about courage and unity. Simba and Nala rebuild Pride Rock as a shared kingdom. Well, or the species have a voice. The final scene, Timon and Pumbaa hosting a jungle council with Zazu as the charismatic moderator. Thank you for listening to me.
Outstanding, outstanding. Too creative. Very nice, Palla. Very good. Okay, since Yug has not raised, okay, we have Arush. Arush, go for it, beta.
Definitely. Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about the alternate ending of the Marvel Avengers Endgame. After coming back to the main timeline, all the Avengers start planning to make the nanotech gauntlet, and after it completes, the Hulk snap and bring half the universe back. Then the Nebula, the stepdaughter of Thanos from 2014, and to come in 2023, when the Avengers undo the snap of Thanos of 2023. Then the Great War of the Earth 616 begins, where every hero's camp and battle was epic. Everyone trying to defeat Thanos' army with the Avengers army. But at last, unfortunately, Thanos got the gauntlet, and the trio of Thor, Cap, and Mr. Tony Stark, or Iron Man, try to stop him, and Thanos throw all of them. Then the Doctor Strange, known as the Sorcerer Supreme, signed the Tony Stark to protect and give him a last chance. Then he uses technique taught by his father to snatching anything from anyone without knowing them. Then Iron Man used the Infinity Stone to power up his armor and store cosmic energy and then make all the Infinity Stones back which were destroyed by the Thanos of 2023 during the start of the movie and use them to make himself one of the most powerful variant of Iron Man, known as the Iron God, one of the very famous comic book character also, and rip the Thanos into two halves, and then take out his skeleton and recreate the whole universe of 2014 Thanos to stop the alternate universe to do, and return the stones they collected and the Mjolnir of Thor to that universe to not make another universe a reality. And then he vanished for 7 days off the Earth 616. The After 7 days, he came and celebrate the victory they had achieved. In between of 7 days, he was in the battle of the multiverse, which was for more than the 3 years. To be continued. He will return in Avengers Doomsday. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Nice.
excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have shared you the topic. Can I do with it?
Who's that?
Ma'am, Yug.
Yes, you, of course, yours, and I have written names whom I want to hear. But just give me a second, let me give feedback to
Oh, no,
Arush. Huh?
actually, I share the topic I want
You
to share
can,
with you in the chat.
you can change the topic till you speak. Okay, no problems. Harshit,
Okay.
I saw you. I want to hear you, Khush, Yug, and Charmi. And there are few more names, I'll say that. But before giving a, let me just give a feedback to Arush. Arush, you have a brilliant voice quality. Today, the way you spoke, I'm not too sure. I wish you could hear yourself. You spoke brilliantly. Not one fumble you made. Third thing, your voice was seamless. ऐसा लग रहा था you are very confident with your topic. That's what we want. I will seriously recommend you to go and speak to your English teacher to give you an opportunity to speak, give a speech, maybe a shorter one during Republic Day. जब तक बच्चे बोलते नहीं है बेटा, टीचर्स नहीं सुनते हैं. मतलब कभी कभी उनको दिमाग, उनको भी क्या पता, जो बच्चे करते आ रहे हैं they will focus on them only unless you go out and reach out to them. Okay, I seriously recommend because you have a brilliant voice, and you know what, this is for everyone. That one thing Arush did, he played a trick. Whenever he was getting, he was about to fumble, like होने से पहले he started speaking very slow. जैसे I would say time limit 1 minute, but Arush was saying time limit 1 minute. So जितना धीरज के साथ बोल रहे थे, error होने से पहले ही he was able to read it properly and say it properly. So that's one hack if you want to follow. Brilliant, Arush. आज तो भाई Arush, very nice. Arush,
Thank
you
you.
surprised me. Very nice. Pleasantly surprised. Okay, now I am going to Harshit. Harshit, I think we have been thinking very long.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I have chosen the Jungle Book.
Go for it.
Ma'am, the ending. Everyone listen to me. We've all been scared. We have been angry. But today showed us something important. The jungle doesn't need fighting, it needs understanding. Fear almost broke us apart, but fear is not our ruler. This is my home. Not because I was born here, but because you cared of me, taught me, and protected me. No one here needs to be alone. We stand stronger when we stand together. Let this be a new beginning, a jungle where we live with respect, with peace, and with hope. Thank you.
Super. Very nice. Okay, anybody from Yug, Charmi or Khush who's ready?
Ma'am,
Go for it.
today I wanna share a different ending for a Jurassic World Camp Patricia. After escaping the island, the group of teenage friends, Kenji, Brooklyn, Ias, Sammy, and Ben, are trying to find a way to survive. They are trapped in a dense jungle surrounded by ragging dinosaurs. They think it's their only chance to evade the dinosaurs and find safety. As they undertake risk deeper into their mind, they trigger a trap set by a group of ruthless dinosaur poachers. The group gets separated, and in the chaos, Sam gets caught in a deadly trap. Despite their best efforts, the others are unable to save her. As the group mourns their loss, they realize they must keep moving forward if they want to survive. The friends manages to outsmart the poachers and eventually escape the island. However, the trauma of Sammy's death weighs heavily on them. The movie ends with the friends now scared by their experience, standing together, looking out at the sea. The camera pans out to reveal a somber tone, symbolizing the end of their innocence. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. How do you people think so much? Dinosaur तक तो मैं पहुंची भी नहीं. I was like till Lion King only. Very nice, you. It was worth the wait. Good. Okay. Now we have Charmi raising the hand. Charmi, without a minute, go for it.
Yes. Hello everyone. Myself Solanki Chad. I study in grade 6. I am here to see a speech on my favorite animated movie, The Lion King. This movie is an animated movie which includes realistic graphics. This story is upon a baby lion whose father is got killed by his own brother. The baby lion feels sad for his father. He also got angry on his uncle because his uncle killed his father. But the baby lion is too small to take the revenge. His father was a great king. That is why his uncle killed his father because of jealousy. After then, the baby lion chose to live separate and move on to that jungle and walks to another jungle. He made so many friends in another jungle. Two of those animals were his best friends. They explained to the Lion King, Simba, to take the revenge to his uncle, but he didn't want to go to that jungle again. If I was the writer of the story, I had definitely made a great ending in which Simba had taken the revenge to his uncle to kill his father and live happily with her mother and his aunt and cousins as a real Lion King. Thank you for listening to my speech. I'm glad that you listened to my speech carefully and gave your precious time to my speech.
Good, Charlie. You have that fluence in your voice, which is like very soothing. Good. So I would suggest this to everybody. Please go, eat your head of your English teachers in school and tell her that, ma'am, I would like to give speech for this Republic Day. You never know, if she gives you the part, you still have Christmas holidays to prepare. Okay, some internet for her, and anyways you have your chat GPT. She wouldn't mind. Okay, Khush, I haven't heard you. Khush, do you want to take a turn? Anything, any movie. It can be funny ending, it can be anything. Frozen वाला ही ले लो. Let there be a wicked witch. Who knows? Okay, looks like Khush is not there. Anybody else who's waiting for a turn? Sahitya, how long are you going to take time to prepare?
Ma'am,
Sachin?
Karan.
Karan is Arab. He said it. He said about Lion King. Anybody else? Or I can close it. Alright. Let me be very honest today. Full marks to Arush. Arush, because I loved the way he spoke, and okay, I have mentioned it why I liked it. Okay. But see, I can see Avengers is quite popular. So next time I'm going to watch a movie, it will be Avengers. Alright. For the best speech, I would like to give the credit to Yug and Ronak. Marvelous. Okay, and Charmi. Charmi was the last one. Forgot to write her name. Charmi, Yug, Ronak. Brilliant. Very fluent. Well paced. Well timed. But if I have to give points for creativity, it will be Pallav, Harshit, Satvik. I also loved what Bhavesh said. Very close to my heart. Okay, and very brave attempt to choose a movie Chhawa. But otherwise, Pallav, Satvik, and Harshit, brilliantly creative. If I missed anybody, please forgive me. You can ask me every time I write the feedback. Arman, I saw that you used all the words from the vocabulary we did today. Brilliant. And Araf, you are coming to my home. We'll go for the movie together. Alright, I'll see you all in the next class next week. Have fun, children.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you send your number in the
ma'am,
chat?
on Friday.
Yes, see you on Friday.